Good morning, dear students. How do the things go on? I believe that everything go on well. If it is so, let's start a new chapter. This chapter has its own importance in our day-to-day life. And this chapter is chapter 11, Conjunctions. Conjunctions. Yesterday I had an experience. I had to connect two things together. Two pieces of hose together. Then I took a piece of pipe to connect them both. I took a piece of pipe to connect these two pieces of hose. So, the duty of that small piece of pipe was to connect two things together. The same thing is happening here in the case of conjunctions. The conjunctions always connect two things. They connect, their duty is always to connect two things. What are these two things? These two things can be two words or can be two groups of words or it can be two sentences. Yes, this is the duty of a conjunction. Conjunction always connects two words or two groups of words or two sentences. Okay, then let me ask you one thing. Why do the conjunctions need to connect two things? Why? Why do we need to connect? The duty of a conjunction is always to connect. There is no doubt. But they do so because the things that we want to convey or the things that we want to say will be shorter after using these conjunctions. When we use these conjunctions, the things that we want to say will become shorter and also it will become more pointed. We can see, when we say the things using many sentences, then the thing will not be that much catchable to others. Okay, they will not get the correct point. If we make it into the correct sense within one sentence, then that will become more pointed. Okay, so by using these conjunctions, we can make the things more pointed and also we can make the sentences shorter. Okay, now let's see something special that I told you that the conjunctions, they always connect two words, two groups of words or two sentences. Then you may have the doubt about the groups of words and the sentences. The groups of words, we have studied already in lower classes that these groups of words, the sentences are the groups of words. And why do these teachers say the sentences and the groups of words? Then what is the difference between them both? These groups of words we can see like this. Too much food. Too much food. Then we can see that there are three words here. There are three words here and they have their own meanings when they stand alone. Okay, for example, too is a word and much is another word and food is another word. Okay, these are three words, different words. And this one together we can take as a group of words. Okay, we can take these together as a group of words. Okay, group of words. Then you said that sentence is also a group of words. Sentence is also a group of words. But there is a difference between them both. What is that difference? Here, when these three words they stay together, we will not get a specific meaning of this. We will not get the total meaning, a sense of this one. Whereas in the sentence, we will get a sense when they stand together. You can see. I ate too much food. I ate too much food. Okay, I ate too much food. Here you can see there are 5 different words. I is one word, ate too much food. Here all together we have 5 words. And all these 5 words we can call them as a group of words. This one is no doubt it's a group of words. And this group of words gives us a meaning. We will get a sense out of this group. Okay, that is the difference between a group of words and a sentence. This is a sentence and it gives us a sense. I ate too much food. Here there is a subject, a verb and an object. Okay, so together we can say that this is a sentence. Whereas in the case of the other one, too much food, there is no verb, there is no noun. Here that these words, when they stand together, they give us a specific meaning. We will get a sense out of this. I ate too much food. We get a sense. That is the difference. A group of words, if they don't give us a sense, that is another case. Okay, that can be called a phrase. Okay, then this one, it gives us a sense. A group of words, when they stand together, if they give us a sense, that is called a sentence. Okay, so sentence always gives us a sense. That is the difference. Okay. Okay, now let's see some commonly used conjunctions. You use all these conjunctions together when you speak, when you write, knowingly or unknowingly. You use them not only knowing that it's a conjunction, but gradually you use always these things in your day-to-day speech. Okay, so we can see which are they. First one is and. The second one is but. And the third one is or. You use all these things knowingly or unknowingly in your day-to-day speech. Okay, or speech or when you write. This and is very simple. It's very simple. We can see how can we use this and. And is used to connect two things which has equal importance. First of all, these and, but, or, all these things, they connect two words or two groups of words or two sentences which has equal importance. Okay, so when we come to this and, we can say that this one is used to show or add something in addition to. Something in addition to. That means, for example, we can say, Sita goes to school. Sita goes to school. That is first sentence. And second one, Rama goes to school. Sita goes to school and Rama goes to school. There are two sentences here. Then we can connect these two sentences together. How can we connect these two sentences together? First of all, we should find out the common thing here. These two are the common things. These are said to be in common to both sentences. And what stands distinct from each other? This one, Sita, that's a name, subject, and Rama, that's the name in the second sentence. These are the different things that we can find in these two sentences. Okay, so we can add these two together. In addition to Sita, we can add Rama also. Okay, in addition, that is the speciality of this conjunction and. In addition to, okay, then we are adding these two things together. Okay, these are two names that has its own importance, equal importance. Sita has importance and Rama also has equal importance. So we are adding together Sita and Rama go to school. Okay, Sita and Rama go to school. Okay, so we add here two names together using this and, this conjunction and. We joined these two names using the conjunction and. Then I am sure that you have noted one thing. Here there is a change happened. Even in the first sentence we used Sita goes to school, and in the second sentence we used Rama goes to school. Here we used Rama go to, Sita and Rama go to school. Why? Because the subject is plural now. Before the subject was singular. Sita singular, Rama singular. But here Sita and Rama, two persons are here. So the verb is changed into go. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, next conjunction that we are going to study is but. We use this but always. And now let's see what is the speciality of this one. Okay, this one is also used to join two things of equal importance. Okay, this one is also used two things of equal importance and also contrasting things. Okay, they are used to join the things that are in contrast. Okay, they are contrasting. Okay, that means they have a difference. Okay, one may be saying one thing and the other may be saying another thing. So we want to join them both. We use this but. Okay, we can see this chair is old. This chair is old. In another sentence, this chair is comfortable. This chair is old, and the second sentence is this chair is comfortable. Here, two things are said about the same thing. Two specialities are said about the one thing, same thing. What is that same thing here? This chair. This chair. That is the special, that is the main thing here. This chair. Then what are the speciality? Two things are said about this chair. This chair is old and this chair is comfortable. So we are joining, we are connecting these two contrasting things together. Then how can we connect? This chair is old, and then we will use here this conjunction. This chair is old but comfortable. Okay, we used this conjunction but to connect two sentences having contrasting sense. Okay, they have a different sense, that are coming in contrast. Okay, contrast. This chair is old but comfortable. This chair is old. That is not so fair. But even if it is old, we can sit comfortably. Okay, that is the meaning that we get out of this. Okay, so we joined here these two sentences using this conjunction but. Okay, so you can see another example of this but. First sentence, this book is costly. This book is costly. And the second sentence is, this book is boring. This book is boring. So we can connect these two sentences together using this conjunction but. How can we connect? Yes, this book is costly but boring. This book is costly but boring. Here we connected two sentences together using the conjunction but. Okay, the next conjunction that we are going to learn is or. This one is also very familiar to us. This conjunction or is always used to things that are said to be a choice for us. A choice. Okay, one can be a choice for the other. One can be a substitute for the other. Okay, so for example, we can say tea. Then the substitute for this one is coffee. Sister. Brother. Okay, so we can connect these two, tea or coffee. Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? Two sentences. Then how can we connect? Would you like to have tea? That is the first sentence. Would you like to have tea? And the second one. Would you like to have coffee? The tea and coffee are the things that has equal importance and that can stand as a substitute for the other. Okay, so we can join these two by using this conjunction or. How can we connect? We are connecting now like this. This would you like to have is common in both sentences. Okay, this one is common. And the two things that are standing as a choice, that is tea and the other one is coffee. Then we are going to join this tea and coffee using a conjunction or. Tea or coffee. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Okay, that is a sentence. Now we can make another sentence. And I wrote here, sister, brother. We can connect these two. This also stands as a choice. Okay, this stands as equal importance and also can be a substitute for the other. We can connect this using or. Okay, then how? If I am asking, first sentence, do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? And the second one, do you have a sister? Okay, there are two sentences having equal importance. Now we are going to connect them both by using the conjunction or. Okay, so this do you have till here it's common in both these sentences. Now we are going to add these two words together by using this or. Do you have a brother or sister? Do you have a brother or sister? Okay, so we added these two things of great importance, equal importance using this conjunction or. Okay, that's all about it. Now just recollect what we have studied today. We have studied that a conjunction is a word or a group of words that is used to connect two words or two groups of words or two sentences. Okay, then what is the use of this one? This conjunction is used to connect. That the connection, that is the duty of a conjunction. And when we use these conjunctions, what will happen? What is the benefit of using these conjunctions? when we use conjunction, we can make the things, the words or sentences shorter. We can make our sentences, what we want to say, shorter and also more pointed. Okay, these are the things that we said. And today we discussed 3 conjunctions that are commonly used. What are they? First one is and, second one is but, and the third one is or. Okay, so first one is and second one is but, and the third one is or. So what is the practice that you have to do? You need to write 5 sentences using this conjunction and 5 sentences using this conjunction but, and 5 sentences using this conjunction or. Okay, altogether you need to write 15 sentences. Okay, that is the work that you have to do today. And also you need to study everything and be ready for your examination. Okay, then I wish you all the best. Study well, stay healthy, remain happy, be positive. Okay, even if the things are happening, words around us, we should be always happy and positive and use our time always productively. Okay, that's my wish for you, and we will see in the next class with the rest of the conjunctions. Okay, thank you.